In this era, you can sell any service to literally anyone. But let's discuss which are the most highest selling services in Indian SMMA in 2023. So if you don't know me, I am an agency business owner serving clients worldwide and a business consultant teaching students how to close their first 2-3 clients, which is the most hardest part. We will cover 4 best services which Indian clients are interested to be stepped in. First, website creation. You can make a website to start their online presence to take them online. If the client is not interested, then do not pitch all the services in first go. Let them go with the website first, then you teach them how to do marketing, how to do lead generation, how to handle the social media, then the services will go in up funnel. So this leads to our second point, which is marketing. Marketing can help business to maintain their name in the market. So when people need their service or product, whichever they are selling, the first one where comes to their mind is their brand, is their shop, is their respective company. Third, which is the highest selling service in this market right now, lead generation. Lead generation is the best services which a business can go for. But this is only applicable for high ticket clients. I am mentioning high ticket clients. So what is high ticket clients? The clients which have high price of their service and product, they are called high ticket clients because they are selling the services and the product which is the higher amount in this market. Let's take an example. If I am a doctor, the high ticket client, and someone charge me between 30 to 50k per month and give me 70 to 150 leads which are interested in my services that I am selling, then I can easily make up to 1 lakh rupees after investing 30 to 50,000. So this is how the process works because I am a high ticket service, high ticket product seller. So I can easily make up to 1 lakh from these leads. So this is how the basic model works in high ticket client. Next, and the best services you can provide to a business for their organic growth and inbound leads is social media management. To handle their social presence on various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. TikTok is banned in India, and other apps. So you can engage with their customers, with their clients, with their followers and grow them organically. So this also helps to their branding and to make goodwill in their market. So before ending this video, let me give you a pro tip to survive in Indian market. Do not sell a single service in this market. Instead, make a no-brainer offer that no one can reject. The next video is about this. It's just the highest selling services in India currently, but you can also go for other services in your offer. And believe me guys, you can sell any fucking services in this world. Just need to approach right person at right time. Then you can sell anything.